Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a DocuSign for contracts. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is head on over to DocuSign.com and we can sign up for a free trial or log in if you already have an account. From here, you want to go ahead and upload your contract. So where it says get started, below that it says sign or get signatures. Click on that start button, then upload your document. So you can upload your contract. This can be Word, PDF, or other supported file formats. Now from here, you can view the document like so. Now below this, we need to go ahead and add the recipient. So go ahead and add in the recipient's name and email, and go ahead and make sure that's set to needs to sign or receives a copy needs to view. So for this one, I'm going to say need to sign. And you can add more recipients by clicking on the plus icon there, and we can choose the envelope style or type. So now if you want to go ahead and do a sales contract, click, if this is sales, click sales, employment contracts, click on employment contracts. So for this I'm going to do employment contracts. Then once you've done that, click onto next. Now from here we can go ahead and see the contract. We can add some standard fields if we like. So we can add a stamp here, or we can initial. You can also put your signature in there if you like. Now once you played around with all that, go ahead and hit send. So now each recipient gets an email with secure link. They click review document, then apply their electronic signature. No account is required for signers. And you can track the status. So if we go back to the homepage of DocuSign here, so apps.docusign, you can see who has signed and who is pending from here. So if we scroll down under the agreement activity, we can look at the status here. So it says I need to sign, but it's going to say they need to sign, etc. Depending what type of contract you use and that. And now you will receive notifications as each party completes their part. Now, completed contract. So once all parties sign, DocuSign finalize the document. Each signer receives a copy by email. You can also download the signed contract from your account. Now, a pro tip, so DocuSign contracts are legally binding under e-signature laws in many countries. Always confirm it meets your local legal requirements before using it.